Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Jazz SR. Now of course this is a 1.5 self-charging hybrid. You do get LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and of course 4 front parking sensors. I will go into each and every alloy as well, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on these alloys. You get the brilliant 15-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. Walking around the car to the rear now, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. Into the tailgate, you've got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with that level just there. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. Inside the car now, you'll notice that you do get the cloth grey with the black leather interior and nice fixed mounting points at the bottom. You get full electric windows all round, however only the driver's is automatic. Jumping inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold, we've got your economy mode just here, and then your ECVT gearbox. We've got climate control in the front, and then your 9.5-inch display in the middle, which comes with Bluetooth hands-free, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, over here you've got a little bit of additional storage on top of the glove box just down below. Over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left with your voice assistant, volume and track select. On the right hand side we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've also got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 11,797 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.